Alright, if you want the secret to fire chicken that's like crispy skin and super juicy, you gotta brine it. So do like a quart of water, boil it with a third cup of kosher salt, peppercorns, rosemary, bay leaves, honey, and then fill the rest of it with ice, like total of like 2 or 3 quarts. And then once it cools down, pop your chicken in and let her soak for 24 hours. Okay, so the chicken's done brining. And we're just going to go ahead and give it a garlic and shallot enema. We're going to go ahead and shove that all right in the bird. And then I'm also going to put some herbs in there, some rosemary and sage. Now you definitely don't want to overstuff it. You want some airflow around in there when you're cooking. So just be careful if you're ever going to do this. Don't stuff it too full. Anyway, do that. We're going to tie it up and throw her in the oven. Alright, so we tied up our chicken, our BDSM chicken. Tied it up like your girlfriend back in college days. You're going to baste it with a little bit of butter and then hit it with some rosemary salt. Not too much, just a little bit for the skin. This is just rosemary, salt, garlic, lemon juice, and sage. Food process it, and bam. Sprinkle the chicken. 425 for 30 minutes. After 25 minutes, you want to take this puppy out, reduce the heat, and put a little more butter on it. So, been chilling at 375 for, I don't know, 40 minutes. And that is why we brine.